In Punjab region and other parts of India were also Britishers were trying to cultivate that type of crop which give them big benefit or which were essential for them. So for development of the crop they were increases canal system for irrigation purposes. So wheat and cotton were mostly exported from India to Europe, for which agriculture system were improved in the Punjab region as for uh, a huge production of these crops were happened by India in the part of Punjab, which give them a big benefits. I mean to say for Europeans. So cotton, rubber, indigo, coffee, tea were also cultivated here for being exported to Europe. And in this time the minerals just like coal and other type of minerals were also exported from uh, one area to another area, so the this production were also increases in a huge amount at this time. So mainly industrialists and capitalists were investing their money in India and other nations as to get a huge amount benefit from them. Here is the role of technology in the trade. So we know that technology is very essential and give a enhanced way to improve the trade and business. So by the technology there is a example was given in our textbook, that is for uh, trade of animals for their fleshes. In European nations they were very fond of meat. uh, so for trade of the meat was not happen at that time. So it's because at that time there was no such a refrigeration system of ship as to transfer the meat directly from one part to another part. So they directly took the animals from one place to another place, and then after they were killed and uh, the meat were sold. But this become much more costly. It's because that first thing they have to be transferred uh, living animals from one place to another place. So they took much more space. First thing. Second thing, mostly animals were died in the way, so they become not be utilized for them, either become ill or sick by any disease or by any reason. And third one is the meat becomes so costly, so it become far from the reach of poor peoples in Europe. Even they can't purchase, that become too costly. And fourth one is the rate of meat was very high at that time due to all this inconvenience and but after it there were a invention happen of the refrigeration ships, by which this problem was sort outed, and they have to be avoid to transport directly animals from one place to another, while they were killing, and their only meat become transferred from one place to another place. So it become quite sufficient and convenience for them to transport meat directly from one place to another, in the comparison of the animal from one place to another for taking their meat. So this problem was sorted out by refrigeration ships.